In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on two-step verification for your Hotmail account in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page. Sign in with your email and password. Once you're in your inbox, click your profile icon at the top right, then select My Microsoft Account. On the account page, go to the Security tab from the left menu. You may need to re-enter your password for verification. Now, find and click Turn on Two-Step Verification. This will add an extra security layer by requiring not just your password, but also a code sent to your phone or email. Finally, follow the prompts to complete setup, then save your changes. And that's it. Your Hotmail account is now protected with two-step verification, keeping your personal data much safer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.